Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to tap this symbol in MS Word. So guys, this is very simple. First click on insert. After click on symbol, click on more symbol. Tap character code 00F4. After click on insert, click on close. That is. So guys, this is very easy and simple. If you want to tap this symbol in MS Word, so firstly click on insert. After click on symbol, click on more symbol. Tap character code 00F4. After click on insert, click on close. That is. So this is very simple and easy and quickly method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.